Today we're going to be learning how to add on a number line. So I have a word problem here. It says Douglas Elementary School is having a book reading contest. The students in Mr. Martin's class read a total of 293 minutes, and the students in Miss Johnson's class read 412 minutes. What is the total number of minutes read by both classrooms? Show your mathematical thinking. So that's where the number line is going to come in. So I know that when it says what is the total number, I want to know the total number of 412 and 293 added together. So I'm going to start by writing an addition equation. So 293 plus 412 equals blank. And I'm going to put this on a number line. So my number line, of course, I'm going to start by drawing a line. I know my number line, I'm going to start at 293, and then I'm going to add this to it. So right here on my number line, I'm going to have 293. I'm going to start by taking my hundreds first. So I know that 293, if I just look at my 200, so 200, and if I just take these hundreds here, which is 400, 200 plus 400 would give me 600, and then I can't forget about these. So 293, I'm going to do one big jump. I'm going to do plus 400. That's going to equal 693. I'm going to put a little check to show that I added my hundreds. So now I have tens. I only have one 10. So now I'm looking at this 9. I know that if I have 90 and I add another 10 to it, that's going to give me 100. So I'm going to go from 600s to now I'm in the 700s. So I'm going to do a little jump plus 10, and I'm going to add 10 to it, and that would actually be 703, because 93 plus 10 would be 103, but now I'm in the 600s to 700s now. I'm going to put a check mark there, and now I have 3 ones right here. I'm going to add these 2 ones. That's pretty simple. Plus 2. So 703 plus 2 would give me 705. Or 705. I'm going to double check to make sure I did everything. I know that I started at 293. I added 412. So there's 400 that I added. 200 plus 400 is 600. 10 to 90, I went to 703, and plus 2. So I checked my work. 705 would be my answer. And I've shown my mathematical thinking with my number line. Now we're going to try another one. Let's see. Fresh page. Alright, so third grade students took a total of 600 pictures for the yearbook during the school year. If Ted took 157 pictures, what is the total number of pictures taken by the rest of the third grade class? So this one is a little bit different. It gives me the total right here of 600. So I'm going to actually put in my equation, I'm going to put that this equals 600. I know that Ted has 157, so I'm going to put 157 right there, plus blank. So this time, it's a little bit different. And I also have to show my mathematical thinking. So I'm going to draw another number line. On this number line, I already know where I'm going to end. I'm going to end at 600. So right here, I'm going to put 600. I'm starting at 157, and I need to know how much I need to add to it to get to 600. I'm going to just add 100 at a time. So 157 plus 100 will give me 257. I'm going to add another 100. That would give me 357. I'm going to add another 100. 457. Still not there, plus 100. 557. Now I'm getting closer. I know if I add another 100, that would be 657, and I'm going to go too far. So now I'm going to start adding tens. If I add 10, that would be 67. I'm going to try 4 tens, which would be 40. If I add 40 and 50, that would give me 697. And then if I add, I'm just going to go 698, I'm sorry, that's going to actually be 597, not 697. So 597, what do we got here? 598, 599, and then 600. So that's 111. I just made a simple mistake right there, but I caught myself. So 557 plus 40 would be 597, not 697. So now what I need to do is I need to add up how many I have. Right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 100s, I have 4 10s, and I have 1, 2, 3. So my blank, it should be 157 plus 443 equals 600.